Lesson 15. Lesson 15 contains the word ending der, word beginning fur, and the symbol for the sound of ow. For the word ending der, this is represented by the over th and the under th. For example, we have the word father. For the word father, we have our word ending there. Then we have our F, A, and our over TH. Another is the word other. We have the word ending there. And your O here is pronounced as a long U. So we have the stroke of your U and then our over TH. Next is the word gather. We have our word ending der rather, and then we have our G, your A, and your over TH. Next, we have our word neither. We have your der, your N, and your E. We have N, E, and our over TH. Next is our words weather or weather. For this one, we have your word ending der, our W, and your E. We have first our W, which is represented by your stroke of U. And then we have our E and our over TH. We have our U, E, and over TH. Next is the word brother. For the word brother, we have our B. Always remember that B as a curve line. Your B, and then our R. Our O here is sounds like your long U. So we have our U and then our over TH. Our next word is together. For our together, always remember that we have our brief form to or our word to, which is represented by your T U. Then we have your G and then E and then our word ending der, which is represented by our over TH. Our next word is mother. Your mother, the sound of your O in the word mother is a long U. That is why we will be using U rather than O. So we have your M and then our U, which gives us the modified U, and then our over TH. Next is the word either. For the word either, for the next words, we will be using the under TH. Next, the word either, we have your E and then our word ending der, which we will be using the under TH. We have E and then our under TH, your E and under TH. Next, we have the word author. For the word author, we will be using O rather than your A because your A U sounds like your O. So we will be using O. We have your O and then your under TH and our R. I repeat, our O under TH and R. Next, we have the word bother. For the word bother, we have your B. So always remember your B is a curved line, your B, your O, and our under TH. Next, we also have the word rather. So for the word rather, we have our R, our A, and our under TH. For the last four examples that we have, if you notice, we are using the under TH because this gives us the technique of faster writing. So we will be using under TH rather than the over TH. Okay? So always remember that if your circle, remember, for us to identify what the TH or what it we are going to use, if the over TH or the under TH, if your circle, if our circle is below, if our circle is below, we will be using your over TH. Okay? But if our circle, the circle of your A and the circle of your E is on top, we will be using your under TH. Okay? That is the technique. Remember? Okay, remember, we will be using your over TH if your circle of A and E is below the outline. We will be using under if the circle of your A and E is on top of the outline. Okay po? So that is your word ending der. Next part of our lesson 15. Next part of our lesson 15 is the word beginning fur. Okay, we have the word beginning fur, which is represented by the stroke of your F. Okay, so this is the stroke of our F. Okay, remember your word beginning fur is represented by the stroke of your F. For example, we have the word further. So how many principles do we have in the word further? We have two principles. The first is your word beginning fur, and we have your word ending der. As I said a while ago, our word beginning fur is represented by your F. So this is read as fur. And then our next outline is der, which is represented by our TH. So we have here our over TH. Okay? For the word further, we have your F for fur and then our TH for der. Next, we have the word furthermore. For the word furthermore, we have your word beginning fur and our word ending der. Even if the word der is in the middle of the word, we will still be using the outline for the word ending der. And in this word, we will be using your under TH rather than your over TH because we have an outline for the word more after your TH. So with this, we have your fur, your F for fur, and then your under TH for der, and our more, which is represented by your M, O, and your R. So this is the outline for the word furthermore. Next is the word furnace. For this one, we have your fur. And your C sounds like your S. We have fur, we have your N, and then our A will be on top of your N because we have your S after. We will be using your left S. Next word is the word furnish. So we have your fur, we have your fur, and then we have your N, and then our ish, which is represented by our SH. If we have a word furnishes, okay, for furnishes, we have your fur, your N, our ish, and then our right S. Okay, next is the word refurnish. For the word refurnish, remember we have our word beginning re. So in this word, we have two principles. We have your word beginning re and the word beginning fur. For this one, our word beginning re is represented by your R. So we have your re, your fur, which is represented by your F. So we have your re, fur, and then our N, and then our ish. So we have your re, fur, nish. So that is our word beginning fur, which is represented by the outline of your F, the stroke of your F. Another lesson in our lesson 15 is the sound of our ow. Okay, the sound of your ow, which is represented by the circle of your A and the outline of our U. Okay, we have the circle of your A plus the outline of your U. For this one, we will just combine the two for us to have the sound of our ow. So we have the circle of your A and then our U. Okay, the circle of our A and then our U. For example, we have the word how. For the word how, we have your ow. So first we have the dot of your H and then our ow. I repeat, we have the dot of our H and our ow. Next word, we have our now. For now, we have your N and then our ow. Next example is south. For south, we have your S, your ow, and our over TH. So always remember your S in south is a curved line. Next, we have the word house. Okay, we have your ow in the middle. We have the dot of your H, and then our ow, and then our S. We will be using your right S. Next example, we have the word announce. We have the word announce. So we have your ow in the middle. We have your A and our ow, another N, and then our left S. That is the outline for the word announce. Next, we have the word town. Okay, for the word town, we have your ow in the middle. We have your T, your ow, and then our N. Next word, we have the word doubts. Okay. Ma'am, the spelling of ow in doubts is O-U. That is not O-W. Yes, but still we will be using the outline for ow because the pronunciation of your O-U is ow. So for the word doubts, we have your D and then our ow, your T, and then our left S. We omit the B in the word doubts because we cannot hear B when we say doubts. Okay? Next, we have the word crowd. Okay, for the word crowd, we have your C is pronounced like your K. So we will be using your K, R, and then our ow, and we have your D. Last example for the word ow. For the sound of ow, we have the word brown. For this, we have your B, and then your R, and our ow, and then N. So that is the word brown. We have your B, R, your ow, and then your N. So that is how we will be or how we are going to write the sound of your ow in the word. We have your A and then your U. So that is ow. In summary of our lesson 15, for your word ending there, this is represented by your over TH and your under TH. For us to identify what TH we are going to use, again, if the circle of your A and the circle of your E is below the outline, we will be using your over TH. But if the circle of your A and the circle of your E is on top of the outline, we will be using your under TH. And for your word beginning fur, this is represented by your F. And for the sound of your ow, regardless of the spelling, if OW or OU, as long as the pronunciation is ow, we will be using your A, U. Your ow is represented by your A, U. That would be all in your lesson 15. Thank you so much.